congratulations to every Indian on this Republic Day. Congratulations to everybody, and my message is for everybody that everybody should believe in unity in diversity in India.
Celebrate 26th January.
We celebrate 26th January in the behalf of the new Constitution of India was comes in force.
So what do you want to be?
I want to be a income tax officer.
Thanks for.
The students to study in.
So what is your message on Republic Day?
On this 26th Jan or our Republic Day, I want to mention the value of our constitution, freedom, equality and liberty. I also want to mention the unity of our country to continue building a stronger India.
So what do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor to help everyone.
Now I'm stand in Alpha Convent School. Right now, petrol pump nearest landmark petrol pump nearest SDM court. So I would like to inform first of all is going 26 January is called to a Republic Day. So first of all, very honored to all Indian country's leader like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh. Like all loves to him there. Very love to him there. So really 19 is talk about the 1947 will get the freedom for all Indian country's leaders. Really proud of and really appreciate too. Now it takes about the last 2 or 3 days Alpha Convent School likes talking about the teacher of Atah Sir's preparation the last 2 days. And let's see, so all students and all teachers in Alpha Convent School is with me. So let's talk about to her and know to very well how to preparation for the last 2 days for the Republic Day. Let's talk about Atah sir. So introduce yourself.
Myself is Atahar Sheikh, and I am an English teacher as well as counselor in this Alpha Convent School, and for last many years I have been just giving my best service here to teach students morally as well intellectually.
So what is your message on Republic Day?
First of all, I want to just wish my heartiest congratulations to every Indian on this Republic Day. Congratulations to everybody, and my message is for everybody that everybody should believe in unity in diversity in India.
So what is the preparation for in your school?
Preparation in school, it has been going at least for 10 days, because on this great occasion we have been just going to organize science exhibition, and the theme is just made and art, craft and science exhibition. And regarding this, student management committee, teaching staff and all, and they have just given very good contribution, and that is to be celebrated and on 26th of Jan.
So what is the specialty for your student for your school?
Sorry?
What is the specialty in your student?
There are lots of things, especially in our school, and I can say that Alpha has no match and in this blocks alone. And because Alpha Convent School provides intellectual education, moral value-based education, and provides time to time and science exhibition and marathon classes and career counseling and co-curricular activities, and lots of things are just making Alpha Convent School the best, around this area.
So what is the special the facilities for your school student?
There are lots of facilities available and for everybody, for students and teaching staff, because there is parking and there is playground and music room as well, physics lab, chemistry lab, bio lab, and lots of things, and which a school requires, and all the things are just existing in this organization.
Towards the people who can explain, they'll shortly have to message for the Mahatma Gandhi. Is they only have to get love his to all Indian leaders to get that 1947 will get the freedom for India. So tell me something about the Mahatma Gandhi Day.
Mahatma Gandhi was just a leading character in this India, and when Mahatma Gandhi had taken just his entry, and the scene was totally changed, and everybody just was very motivated and inspired, and a lot of Indian people and many categories of the people, boys, students, girls and old and youth and all, and everybody just was very motivated as well, inspired, and they had just taken a solid step to just run and flee the Britisher. And finally what happened that they had to just go from India, and with the help of Gandhiji, and India had got freedom on 15th of August in 1947.
The main focus, the main motive. So why do you celebrate the Republic Day?
Republic Day is celebrated. The reason behind it that the Constitution of India came into force on this day, and that's why we all Indians celebrate and this day. And this day is also celebrated on Rajpath in Delhi, and in the presence of Prime Minister and President of India, and lots of parades and tableaus are just organized on this great occasion. And so we are also just very motivated, and by looking and by watching all those just scenes and all, and so like that we just begin to copy and we just adopt that same things, and to just create the feeling of nationality as well, patriotism in the students, that students must understand that this kind of festival is celebrated. Why? It creates the feeling of patriotism, and it creates a sense of patriotic. That's why.
So what is your position in your school?
My position, I have already told you that I am a counselor as well. I am a member of management committee as well, teacher also, and TGT, PGT level, and I have been just teaching English, and many things I just manage here in the school, and as interview of teachers, and selection of teachers, and admission of students, and a lot of things, whatever the school requires, and I just give my best.
How much time will you teach here?
I have been teaching, in this school since Alpha established, Yeah.
Thank you a lot.
Thank you very much.
What's your good name?
My good name is Angel Verma.
So which class are you studying there?
I am studying in class 8.
Anything special? Why do you celebrate 26th January?
We celebrate 26th January in the behalf of when Constitution of India comes in force.
So, what are you studying? Why are you studying in Alpha Convent?
I studied in Alpha Convent School because the education they provide is very good. Not just education, they provide life lessons and how to behave in front of everyone.
So, what is your message on Republic Day?
My message on Republic Day is to be happy, to be kind, and to be honest to everyone.
And the last question is that what do you want to be?
I want to become a doctor to help everyone and make a smile on their faces.
What do you most like in your school?
I most like in my school is the teachers who are very good, honest and hardworking. They are just do everything for us and make our lessons very easy to learn.
Thank you. What's your good name?
My good name is Kaushiki.
So, which class are you studying?
I am studying in class 8.
And anything else why are you studying Alpha Convent?
Yeah, I study in Alpha Convent School because Alpha provides desired education and the teachers are very humble, genius, kind and hardworking.
Anything else what do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor to help everyone.
Introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Ashwati Maurya. I am a faculty teacher here at Alpha Convent School. I have been teaching here since past year. I joined this school in past year in December itself.
So what is your message for Republic Day?
My message for Republic Day, but before saying anything, I would like to say few lines. है भरा नहीं जो भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वह हृदय नहीं, वह पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. And with this, I would like to convey my greetings from on behalf of the Alpha Convent School, all my team members, all my teachers, all my students, and everyone, all the staff members, all the fourth staff, everyone. That I wish you the very happy Republic Day, and I wish the country flourishes and we all prosper together ever after.
What is your facility? What are the facilities for students for your school there?
The facilities, as you can see here, the facilities are really decent kind of facilities, and we provide here scholastic plus non-scholastic facilities like co-curricular activities are also held here. And you can see here in on 26 January, this Republic Day, we have planned Republic Day, as well as we have planned science exhibition, food fairs, there is food gallery, there is science exhibition, there are book stalls, there is everything for the students, and sports. Also there are sports rooms, and children are also involved in many sports also. So there are many diverse kind of teachers, versatile teachers who children are taught by them, and children grow very friendly, in a friendly nation, we can say that.
Only have to all see that was only have to Mahatma Gandhi, right? So you get the freedom with the 1946, like so Subhash Chandra Bose. So you only have to Mahatma Gandhi's love saying, really proud of and really appreciate. So what do you say about Mahatma Gandhi?
Mahatma Gandhi, we have, if we talk about us Indians, we are left with no words if we talk about Mahatma Gandhi ji. And not only us, not only Indians, the whole world appreciates him. There's a statue of him with besides Nelson Mandela also. So he is such a personality who is respected and is worshipped by the whole world. So my what I think about Mahatma Gandhi is that I have never seen such a person who has walked on earth like this. And Albert Einstein has once said that कि कभी वक्त ज़माना कभी ये यकीन नहीं कर पाएगा कि किसी हाड़ मांस का बना हुआ ऐसा इंसान भी धरती पर चला था. So this was Mahatma Gandhi.
So what will the message for Republic Day?
My message is that let's come together, let's move forward, let's come together to move India, move our, first of all for Alpha Convent team, let's move together to make Alpha great, and then when Alpha is great, with our self-determination and dedication, we'll make the whole nation great.
Warm greeting on Republic Day. Let's celebrate our nation to brave hearts and diversity, unity, and who protect it. Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
I am Almain and I am a student of class 7th and I am 13 years old girl. I study at Alpha Convent School and I studied in class 7th.
Can you explain why did you studying in Alpha Convent?
Yeah, sure. I studied at Alpha Convent School because of mission is to be sure your brain and inspire in intellect, and the school was adopt a holistic approach, integrating integrating academic and social environment consciousness. The teachers was very humble, kindness, and the helpful. So this is the reason why I am studying in Alpha Convent School.
What is your message on Republic Day?
So first of all, I wish every Indians happy Republic Day, and my message on 26th Jan is freedom in the mind, strength in the word, pureness in the blood, and zeal in the heart. And let's celebrate and salute our India on 26th Jan.
So what do you want to be?
I want to become as a IAS officer to serve my nation and good human being.
So anything says about the school? What's your favorite likes and favorite things?
So my favorite things in school is playground, labs, library, like anything, everything. Like it's my favorite because I like school. So very much I like school. My school.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Akhil Maurya. I am in class 6, section A.
What is your message on Republic Day?
On the behalf of Alpha Convent School, class 6, and from class 6, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
Why are you studying in Alpha Convent?
Because Alpha Convent School provides the best and the most desirable educational and curriculum facilities. Also, the teachers here are very genius and dedicated.
So what do you want to be?
I want to become a person of great service to the society.
Introduce yourself.
I am Natika Grady from Suchi. I am a student of class 6.
Loudly.
I am Natika Grady from Suchi. I study in class 6.
So why are you studying in Alpha Convent?
I am studying Alpha because Alpha Convent School have good teachers and good way of study.
So what is your role message of Republic Day?
Always your country and always follow the rules in our country.
So what do you want to be?
I want to be an income tax officer.
Thanks a lot. Introduce yourself.
My name is Abhi Rastogi and I am 12 years old. I am currently studying in class 7th A. I am a student at Alpha Convent School.
So why are you studying in Alpha Convent?
I am studying in Alpha Convent School because I believe the school provides a very supportive environment for the students to study in.
So what is your message on Republic Day?
On this 26th Jan or our Republic Day, I want to mention the value of our Constitution, freedom, equality, and liberty. I also want to mention the unity of our country to continue building a stronger India.
So what do you want to be?
I want to become a good human being and make a positive impact on the world. I believe in using my abilities to continue building a better India.
थैंक यू मैम। अपना परिचय बता दें।
मेरा नाम लुबना आफरीन है और मैं अल्फ़ा कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में हिंदी पीजीटी शिक्षिका के रूप में पिछले कई वर्षों से कार्यरत हूँ और मैंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन और मास्टर कानपुर यूनिवर्सिटी से पूरा किया है और मैंने बीएड अपना जो है इलाहाबाद स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी से पूरा किया है।
क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे, क्या तैयारियां थी और क्या अभी आप अल्फा गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से क्या 26 जनवरी है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
तो सबसे पहले मैं गणतंत्र दिवस पर अपने अल्फ़ा परिवार की तरफ से समस्त देशवासियों को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएँ देना चाहूँगी और इस गणतंत्र दिवस मेरा समस्त देशवासियों को संदेश है कि हमें जो है हमारे समाज में व्याप्त जो असमानता और असहिष्णुता है उसको कम करने का अथक प्रयास करना है। और अंत में मैं अपनी पंक्तियों के साथ में अपनी वाणी को विराम देना चाहूँगी। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु माँ कश्चित् दुर्भाग्यम्। धन्यवाद।
Introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir. I, Shraddha Srivastava, from Alpha Convent School as an English teacher, and I have completed my MA DLED with English literature.
So, ma'am, what is your message on Republic Day?
My message is on Republic Day, that is university in diversity, one nation, one vision, and one identity, India, and rich cultures, traditions, languages, etc.
So what is the preparation for your school there?
The preparation is going on, just like a parade and cultural programs and recitations, and that is the most important thing at this time. Grand event, art, craft and science exhibition come book fair 2024 and 25.
So what do you special does teach or student Alpha Convent?
Do favorable things and motivate to our students how to do work in their life and so many things. That is.
So what is the facilities for a school for the student?
So many facilities in our Alpha Convent School. That is marathon classes and doubt clarification classes, and labs are here with regarding all the subjects.
Anything say about Mahatma Gandhi?
Mahatma Gandhi is our freedom fighter and a very good human person. That is. Thank you.
मैं फरहान सिद्दीकी, CRS न्यूज़, रायबरेली।